This application, this is the first tutorial for the first screen. This is the Student Daily Manager, and on the first splash screen, what you're going to see is that this application has both iPhone and iPad menus. To get support on the application, which is free, you click on the support button, which will open up a browser, and or on this screen, if you click on it, it opens up the browser within the application, and it brings up the screen that you can see our website and get help. You can bring it up in Safari. Let me point out that this application is being run on a simulator, and that's why we have a cursor. And if you say done in this, it takes you back to this screen. It would bring up the website, but right now I want to concentrate on what's going on here in this part of the screen. These are video tutorials, and when they're all done, they'll be filling the screen here, and they have a series of videos that will take each screen, including this one, which is an overview of the interface, and explains how to use the application. It's important to understand the interface because it's a very advanced, feature-full application that allows you to do a one-click to go to any screen. For example, these are the iTunes screens for the iPad, and this is the iTunes screens for the iPad and then the iPhone. And down here, these are the full-size iPad screens for the portals and list views. They're available also for the iPad, but you'll have to do a little bit of scrolling around to see everything on those screens. This is a copyright application for 2016. This is the 2.0 version. And this application has been around a while, but this has been completely redesigned for the 2.0 version. It's a very significant application for students. Let's talk a little bit about students and how this application supports them. One of the things it does is as you're going through the different screens, you'll see that there are classes, assignments, tests, studies, and a data bank. These basic screens are all set up so that when you set up the classes screen, which is this screen here, you create the master record or primary record that includes all of the other screens within each new record, which is a record ID. In this particular case, as you add a new record using the new record button, it'll add one new screen for the primary screen, and then all the rest of the screens are subordinate to it. And so they have the information for whatever the ID number is for the original primary record. If you want to add another student semester, for example, this is first semester. If you wanted to add second, third, fourth, fifth, and graduate stuff, you just keep adding new records and then filling in the information and then all the classes that relate to it. So these are the things we're going to be going over in videos in the next set of videos, where we're going to go through all the screens and explain the usage all the way down to the field level for each individual one of those screens. If you have any questions or you need assistance, I'm reminding you that the application has free technical support. You can either go to our support site by clicking this button and chatting, or sending us an email, or we can give you a tour, which is free online tours for the application. I don't believe in online things where we send one out to you and you try to learn it without any assistance. It's better to ask questions and see it live before you purchase the actual application, or if you're certain that you can see the videos and understand how to use it. This is quite an interesting app, but it's also very easy to understand even by taking the videos and be able to use it. So I expect that a lot of people will not ask for help and they'll jump right in and start doing things. But let me warn you, before you do that, take the videos so that you don't mess up the application by trying to do things that you shouldn't do. The videos will explain all of the interface and how everything works. Thank you.